So, hello, Mr. Dinesh. Thank you so much for joining us today. Are you looking forward to the awards? Are you excited?
Yes, Kunal, very much excited about the awards. Even last year we got honored with one of these awards, and we are looking forward to crack this year as well.
So, if we talk about the mobile space, of course, you're nominated in there. So, I know you'll have an obvious answer over there. If we talk about the mobility space, the cars and bikes, any personal favorite?
Yeah, I do have some bikes as my favorite. I like the Honda CB1000R.
Okay.
Okay, it's one of my favorite bikes. And then on the cars front, I'm a car enthusiast. So I keep a track of most of the cars which launch in the market. The recent ones which I find pretty exciting are the Kia Sonet, for example. In its segment, it's super exciting. Then looking forward to some new launches next year from many of the reputed car manufacturers who would be here as a part of this function. So looking forward to the let's say the new cars from Tata, new cars from Mahindra on the Indian brand side, and then looking forward to some really cool additions from Toyota at the high end, and Fortuner, for example, the new Fortuner. I hope they introduce the Legender variant, for example, in India. Would be quite cool, and I hope Ford launches the twin turbo 200 plus bhp Ford Endeavour version in India as well. The update that they're bringing globally.
Yeah.
So it'll be quite exciting year, I believe, 2021 for cars as well. And I'm sure the same applies to smartphones as well.
Correct. I mean, if we talk about this year particularly because of the pandemic, we've all been even more close to our gadgets, right? Our mobile phones, our personal gadgets have helped us sail through the lockdown, the initial bit of it. From a business point of view, tell us about some of the challenges, some of the exciting learnings that you had through the way.
I think on the business side, for ASUS, on both the smartphone business as well as the PC business, it's been very, very exciting times. I think the reason is that we could rise up to the challenge, overcome the supply chain difficulties that we were having, and ensure good supplies of our products in India, both for smartphones as well as for laptops. And that helped us delight our consumers, and we've gained market share. Obviously, like on the smartphone side, we focus on the gaming smartphone segment right now, and there we are absolute leaders by far. And ROG Phone 3 has also got very, very exciting response from the Indian consumers. We are very, very thankful to our consumers to continue to repose their trust in us, and the kind of phenomenal response they've given to ROG Phone 3 as well. And we look forward to keep on delighting you with the ROG Phone series in the future as well.
Interesting. All right. That was great. Looking forward to a great award night, and wishing you all the best.
Thank you very much, Kunal. Really appreciate it and look forward.
All right. Thank you.